I tried my glue again, and I let it dry, and it's been a few days, so I thought, you know what, we're gonna give it a go and see how these turned out. And they just come off of here really easily. Now these are very, very small, but thin lines is what I'm trying to say. So delicate, and so I'm just taking my time peeling them off of here. But these are beautiful. And then I did some circles. And let's see how these look. Just as pretty. And some little circles. I really like this result. I know my notebook surface isn't the best to view these on. I will switch out to something else in a minute here. Okay, so there we have. Did I lose a petal, or did I just make a funky? I think I just made a funky flower. All right, so we'll transfer these over to white. Let's see how pretty, how shiny. Let me know in the comments how you would use these. I like them for card making, for sure. All right, so there we have them. And the foils I used, so this has like a silver and star pattern to it, but if we look at the flowers, oh yeah, I guess they're there. It's just so small. Yeah, I'm picking up the star shapes on there. And then this was the green. It had kind of like a grass pattern, and I'm seeing that here. Oh, that was fun. I think I'm going to be making more of these. Let me know what you think in the comments.